In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail's Help Me Write AI tool to write emails. This feature, integrated into Gmail, leverages AI to help you craft emails quickly and effectively, especially when you're struggling to find the right words. Let's dive into the process and see how this fantastic tool can be your email writing assistant. First things first, log into your Gmail account. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser, navigate to Gmail, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your inbox where the magic happens. Next, click on the Compose button, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. This opens a new email window where you can start drafting your message. Now, this is where you typically input your main content, but today we're going to let AI give us a hand. As you look at the new email window, direct your attention to the icons at the bottom. Among the familiar formatting options, you'll spot something new, a Help Me Write button, denoted by a magical wand icon. This is the tool we'll be using. Click that icon and a text box will pop up. Here's where you provide a description of what you want to write. This can be as simple or detailed as you like, but clarity can really help the AI understand your intentions better. Let me share a few scenario examples to get the creative juices flowing. Say you need to request time off. You might input something like request for leave on Monday due to a family emergency, or perhaps you need to send a polite reminder after a job interview. In that case, you could prompt follow-up email after job interview. There's also scenarios where you may need to apologize, like apology for late response to customer. After entering your prompt, hit the create button. Gmail's AI, using this prompt, will generate a draft for you. Now keep in mind that what it comes up with is just a draft, a starting point. You don't have to settle for this version if it doesn't fully capture what you want to convey. You have several options here. You can refine the draft to adjust the tone, whether that means making it more formal, shortening it, or adding more detail. If the initial draft isn't quite right, you can hit retry for a different version. Additionally, you can manually edit the text to ensure it conveys the exact message you want. Once you're satisfied with the draft, click Insert to add it into your email. Review it one last time to make sure everything looks perfect, and when you're ready, go ahead and click Send. And there you have it. With Gmail's Help Me Write AI tool, writing emails becomes a seamless experience, freeing up your time and reducing the stress of finding the right words. Whether it's a simple request, a follow-up, or an apology, this tool is here to help. Happy emailing!